Okay, so here we have the original right-angle drive in its original bronze housing, and we got new gears for this from Boston Gear. They didn't fit exactly, but we honed them into each other, which you can see on another video. It operates perfectly. The only thing that we don't know is, let me hold this in here real quick, is what the diameter of the paddle, or what the width of the paddle is that drives the off the end of the camshaft. We suspect that it's 2.5 millimeters by reading forensically the broken off piece there, but we cut the slot in it perfectly, dead nuts on center. So what we need to know from you is the width of the slot that this engages into. Pretty sure we could go with 2.5 millimeter to probably be okay, because there were some witness marks where it broke off, and they measured about 2.5 millimeter. But you know, better be dead right as long as we're going this far. See, I can take it apart here real quick, and you can see these nifty gears. These were actually one gear that we split apart with an abrasive saw, and then we ran them against each other with valve grinding compound in order to hone them in perfectly. These actually are 12-point gears. The originals were 10. It makes no difference at all. The bores are still well within specs, but once again, here it is, the slot. We're going to make a male key that comes out of there to some extension as well. We're not even sure on the depth, although that would be easy to grind off for fitting. So that's our story. Let us know. Thank you.